What's up, Travel Spirit, and welcome to our room tour. So me and Laura just got into Bermuda, and we are staying at the Hamilton Princess, downtown Hamilton, Bermuda. And so we're gonna take you on a little room tour and show you all the cool stuff. Like, look at this door. Like, look, isn't this crazy? Like, I've never seen a barn door in a hotel room.
Best part of the hotel room.
Yes. Sorry. So first we're gonna start in the closet. We have some robes right here. 2 robes, kind of soft. It says Hamilton Princess Bermuda on it right here. We have some wooden hangers. Ooh, we got 2 pink Bermuda sand color umbrellas.
Ooh, that's
this
nice.
is fancy. I feel like we're at a British hotel. Well, technically we are. If you come over here, we have a safe, a couple drawers, a mirror, all that. And then you come over here, direct across, and we have this nice, spacious bathroom. You can hear some reverb in here. If you come in here, you look at the sink, pretty clean sink, little shallow sink. Pretty clean countertop, I mean. Shallow sink. They left us some scope, conditioning stuff, perfume, shampoo, some tissues, toothbrush holder. Perfect square light. You might have a circle light.
Perfect for makeup.
Exactly. You might have what it does is it fills in all like the shadows, so you don't have to like have one constant light from the ceiling, say. This one gives you like a perfect lighting of your face. So you see the circle lights? This is the square light. And now we have the shower. Opens in. 2 nozzles.
Oh, it has 2?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yep.
God.
That's 2 nozzles, and then has 1 shower head right here, and then 1 up here. See, like, I'm a big guy and I can move back
You can
around.
dance a little bit in there.
Yep. We're gonna come into the bedroom area. So as you guys see, we have a king bed over here. And it looks nice, a little mirror on the wall, backboard, 2 pillows. Then we have a little coffee bar, type of bar area.
That's kind of a little wet bar.
A little wet bar, some little cups and all that in the drawers, empty drawers. Then if you move my suitcase, you can come and see there's some glasses and stuff down there.
Ooh, fancy.
And it looks like a mini bar right there. And then we have our amazing TV with these drawers that open up to reveal more drawers. The cabinet opened up to reveal more drawers. Bench right here, little desk area for work, because that's what Laura's gonna do, because I'm on PTO right now. My mom got us some advent calendars, some Quality Street advent calendars. So yeah, so you have the desk right here for work. Little lounge area.
Yeah, this is really nice over here.
Yeah, this is like a really big like room. A little lounge area, nightstand, clock, lamp. That picture is dope over there.
Yeah, I wanted to show that. This is so pretty.
So yeah, so like if you come over here and look at this picture, it's like Bermuda, but this is all like Bermuda money. Like if you guys can see up close, it's all Bermuda money.
I didn't notice that at all.
This is such a cool idea. So just in case you're wondering, even though it's a British territory, we still have the US plugs on the wall, and it also looks like you have some USB connections as well. Are you ready to show them
The big reveal?
yeah, the big reveal, the creme de la creme? All right, so come this way.
Okay.
And look at this view. So, as you guys can see, we have the balcony. We're gonna open it up. And come on here. Come on, we have a lounge chair right here.
Oh, it's
We have a little table out here. We can have like meals and
coffee
talks
in
and
the
stuff.
morning.
And then you come out here and you have Hamilton Harbor just on all its glory. It was just a sunset. I did a drone shot and it looked amazing. So I can't wait for tomorrow. Hopefully there's a sunset. But yeah.
I cannot believe this view.
I know, it is so, I cannot wait for like when the sun rises and when sunset, because the sunset's over there. So like we're gonna get some sunset over. It looks like it's raining over there right now, but we're gonna get some sunset. But like, yeah. Oh, and do you remember this little place down there? Remember this little place down there? Remember we took the boat from down there?
Yeah.
And then we drove it all around in our last time we were here, our last day here last time.
You can see the boats that we rented actually. The type of boat.
They're like right, little, well my hand's in focus. They're like right down there. Make sure you book a bay room,
Harbor view.
A harbor view room, thank you. Because you will not be disappointed. Thank you again for watching. I really hope this video was helpful to you because we didn't really see a lot of room tour videos of the Hamilton Princess. So I'm glad we actually get to see it and it turned out to be really nice. But I'm excited to stay here for the next couple days. and just like hang out. Like, I'm not mad that we're quarantining here because like it could be a lot worse. Oh, one more thing before we go. It looks like that we have little outlets on the bed.
Oh, that's so nice.
Like, looks like a two outlets, no USBs. Thank you again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little room tour video. If you're interested in staying in the Hamilton Princess,
we're gonna order some room service because we can't leave our room.
no, like they would deactivate the card if you tried to leave.
We don't have an active card to get
Yeah,
back
they
in.
give you like a one-time use card, so we have to stay in here. It's smart.
Until we get our test results tomorrow.
Exactly. We will see you guys later. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you will stay here or if you're interested in staying in this wonderful hotel.
I am personally in love with it, and I wish we were staying here the whole time.
I know.
But we have 2 nights.
Yep. So this should be awesome. Anyways, see you later.